Hello, and this is Sunny. Welcome back. In my last video, I talked about cyber kill chain, a cyber defense model. Today, I will talk about how to break the kill chain by taking some measures at each stage. The cyber kill chain includes 7 stages. To launch a successful cyber attack, hackers must go through each stage in sequential order. If we can stop them at any stage, especially at early stages, we can break the kill chain and compromise their attacks. If they cannot access our network and systems, for example, they cannot install the malware, then they cannot control our network and systems, then they cannot steal or destroy our data. We must take steps at each stage to block the attacks. Keep in mind, the early stage we take actions to prevent them, the better chance we can defeat them. Now, let's discuss some preventative measures and actions at each stage. Stopping reconnaissance. Performing continuous inspection of network traffic to detect network scanning. Monitoring and stopping suspicious traffic with firewalls, IDS, and IPS. Managing hardware properly, for example, hard drives. Limiting user access to sensitive databases and documents. Training users on all forms of social engineering attacks, such as phishing attack. Training users to limit what they can post on social media or by emails or with shared drives. Stopping weaponization. Stopping the first stage, reconnaissance, would disrupt this stage. Otherwise, there's not much we can do at this stage. Stopping delivery. Configuring firewalls, routers, access control list to block malware, risky websites, and inbound command and control communications. Installing anti-malware on both devices and network. Training users on a proper use of USB drives, limiting users to download and install software programs. Stopping exploitation. Keeping systems and devices patched and updated, and training users to identify and report the signs of malware infection. Stopping installation. Limiting users' account privilege. Separation of user privilege. Implementing strong passwords and enforcing password changes. Enforcing two-factor authentication. Stopping command and control. Blocking outbound command and control communications. Blocking knowing malicious websites through URL filterings. Redirecting attacks to honeypot and honeynet. Stopping actions on the objectives. Proactively monitoring indicators of cyber attacks on the network. Instant response. Breaking the cyber kill chain is vital to the business's survival and success. Many measures can be taken at early stages. The early, the better, but never is too late. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much, and see you next time.